Hey everyone, this is Mama from Blessing by Design. Today I'm revealing our very popular Inspire Me digital planners for 2022. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you can be kept up to date for all of our new product releases. We're excited to announce that we now have 2 Inspire Me planners for you to choose from. We have our original bright and cheery Inspire Me planner, which is the same great design from last year. And we also have some new planner stickers available with 48 fun activities for all seasons. I'll be demonstrating how to import these stickers at the end of this video, so keep on watching. And here is our all-new Inspire Me 2 digital planner. It has rich jewel tone colors, all new artwork designs, and new motivational verses on the month landing pages. For the majority of this video, I'll be demonstrating the planner using this Inspire Me 2. But stay tuned until the end of this video where I'll flip through all of the page artwork designs for both of our Inspire Me planners. I want to highlight the amazing features of our Inspire Me digital planners. In this video, I'm using the planner on my Samsung Galaxy S7 Plus tablet with the Samsung S Pen that it comes with. I'm using the free Xodo app from the Google Play Store, which you need for using our digital planner on an Android device. You don't need the upgraded Pro version of the Xodo app to use our digital planners, so don't upgrade. Our digital planner is a PDF that can be downloaded instantly after your purchase. Be sure to check out our syncing videos so that you can learn how to store your planner file in a location that can then be accessed by all of your devices. Let me start by going over the page layout of this vertical page planner. All the pages have these same links for accessing every section of your planner. Every page has these 3 clouds at the top for accessing the cover, year calendar, and category templates. Month tabs on the side, and at the far right, linked category section icons. Here at the bottom left, the question mark is linked to an index and helpful information. Under the year cloud, you have the Year at a Glance calendar. These Inspire Me digital planners cover 14 months of planning. There are links for every month, but we start with 2 bonus months, November 2021 and December 2021. Icons link to Inspire Me planning pages. Here's January and October. The month names link to the month's overview grid calendar. Here's February and November. When you tap on any date, you will access that week's at a glance page. Here's March, the 2nd week. And here's April's 1st week. Where there's room, the 1st week of the month has areas for recording thankful things or what you are looking forward to in that month. And here's July's last week, which has areas for recording memories and achievements from that month. If I go to the second week of August and I'm looking at the Week at a Glance page, you'll notice that they have quick links back to that month's overview grid. Or if I tap on the third week in the grid, now I can go back to the Inspire Me page for August. Under the Categories cloud, you'll find links for all of our templates and bonus pages. This planner comes with 29 pre-designed template pages, which are linked through these buttons listed on this page by category, such as Habit Tracker, a Today Schedule, a template for crafts, a journal template, or a budget template that you can use every month and duplicate as many times as you need. Check out our store at blessingbydesign.com to find the images of all these templates that come with the planners. Plus, on our store, we have free test files of the first pages of the Inspire Me planner for trying out the planner on your device before you buy. On our template page, we also have bonus page access to a dot page, line, grid, and checklist. And finally, there are 6 blank page links through these buttons at the bottom for you to create your own templates using the tools in your app. On the side here, you can access the main landing pages for each month of 2022. Here is May's landing page. We also have navigation hints to tell you to swipe one page left for May's Inspire Me planning page. This is where you can quickly organize your month's priorities and plans. Swipe again and you'll be on May's overview grid, which also has these small linked month grid references for the previous month of April. And when I'm on April, I can jump forward to May again. And from May, I could jump ahead to June. These smaller icons on the far right access the category section's landing pages. There are 11 pre-labeled linked icons, such as a cook section, a make section, and our budget section for storing all of those budget templates. Finally, there are 2 bonus cloud categories that you can choose what you'd like to store behind these sections. This question mark cloud is probably where you'd like to start when you're getting to know this planner. It has a linked index of the original pages of your planner so that you can see how it is organized, and the full page order, where we have our calendars first, then the category sections, and finally templates and bonus pages, ending with our help pages. We've also provided a link to our YouTube channel, email contact, and answers to frequently asked questions. We give you step-by-step instructions for page duplicating and organization steps for both the GoodNotes app and the Xodo app. Now for some super fun stuff. Digital planner stickers. These new Inspire Me sticker files are now available on the store. They feature fun activity icons for all the seasons, 48 stickers in all, and each sticker comes labeled with or without text. We also have this sticker instruction sheet on our support page and on the product description, and it's included when you buy these stickers so that you'll have detailed instructions for using stickers in your planner. But here I'll show you quick usage. I like to place stickers on the month grids, so first I'll go to September's month grid overview. I can either use the insert selection of tools, or I can just long press my finger on the screen and I'll get these options to tap the image icon. I can import these stickers from where they've been stored, either from files, galleries, or photos. Once a sticker file has been imported to the page, I can tap the sticker image to see a toolbar. I could even add a comment to it, resize it by dragging the corner dots, or I can move the image by dragging it around, or even rotate, duplicate, or delete it. It's that easy. Hang in there, we're about done here. But if you've made it this far, you can surely now like this video and subscribe to our channel. I'm going to show you the artwork and verses for each of our Inspire Me planners. Here's the original Inspire Me landing pages. And here's the Inspire Me Too landing pages. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, and we love to hear from you, so leave us comments. As always, we are here to answer any of your questions about digital planning. Be blessed and have a great day.